I just went to Walmart and we are opening Five Nights at Freddy's Nightmare Foxy. Well, that's when I get home. If you collect all five, here I'll read it. Collect all Five Nights at Freddy's figures and build your own night marionette. Includes in this package it comes with its left arm.
Look at that car. What kind is it?
Ooh, that is cute.
It's a Ferrari.
Did you see that?
That's a Ferrari.
That is so beautiful. And last time, my old video. Of course I do. We are opening LOLs again. If it's the same one, I'd probably be mad. But dude, if it's the color changing one, I'll go for it. You don't judge me. If you did, baby, I'll judge you too.
Okay, all back in the car, and you can unload everything, okay?
Wait, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. And I'll
So
open
you
the
bring-
door to the road. I'll take my stuff out of here.
No. So you just park the car and don't park it in our covers. Park it by the door, and then I'll go in the back and then I'll unlock the door.
Okay. So you can take that in the back with you, and then I will grab my stuff and that.
Do I have to put it in the fridge?
No.
Because I'm filming right
I'll
now.
put stuff away.
Okay, we're almost home. Just nearly half a minute.
You like watching yourself on videos?
So, yep, we are just a few seconds away to home. Just take a turn around Children's Cottage. Okay. Maybe not. This is closer.
Yeah.
Plus, if we did that, we'd probably be entering about...
Yeah.
Now. Yeah. Now. Pop through the back sign. Hey, people. Or, yeah. Not right now. I bet you $5 Mom is still asleep. And if I was right, if Mom is still in bed, you owe me $5. But if I was wrong,
I don't have $5. Oh, that's not gonna happen.
$1. I bet you $1 Mom's asleep. And if she is, or if she's in bed, then you owe me $1. And then if I was wrong, I owe you $1.
Yeah, I'll be able to see this when I back up.
You don't judge me. If you did, baby, I judge you too. Why'd you ask for so much ice?
We always get extra ice.
No, you said lots and lots of ice, not extra.
I just said lots of ice.
Yeah, and they put more than extra. They put 4 scoops. Big scoops of it, but whatever.
Run in the back. Open up. Hurry.
Ugh, blah, blah. Okay, I'll bring my bag with me.
Okay. Leave it in the house, though, because you're going to have plenty of other bags.
I know. And I'll pause my thing, and then I can unpause it when I'm done bringing stuff in. Okay, when I enter my house, you might hear a lot of barking because my dog sleeps in the kitchen. But not like near the where you cook. I'm not. I passed my own backyard because we locked our front door and we lost our keys. Ow, my foot! Hi! Say hi. Oh my gosh! Hey, that's you. Retard. You're a retard. Hey! Go back inside. Nope. Come inside. Sorry about that. Guess she just doesn't like looking at herself. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. You need to chill, okay? Ah, stupid dog. Okay, just let me put my bag down. I'm gonna pause the video. It will be like half a second for you. That's really gonna take like 20 minutes for me. Okay, bye. Still unloading. And just... sitting in the back of the car. Just kidding. I gotta keep on unloading or I won't. Ooh, I gotta go to... Is she ever gonna grab groceries? Ah! Okay, seriously, I need to go talk to Mom real quick. I need to go talk to Mom real quick.
Shut the door. Is that everything? You gotta shut the back of the car. Baby.
Will you please? I need it. It's serious. Okay. I just gotta move these bags.
You want a hamburger, right?
Sorry, you guys. But I cannot open my things in the kitchen because... Well, yes, I can. I just gotta unplug this and plug it in the kitchen because there is an outlet in the kitchen. There's actually 4 outlets. Or 2, sorry.
Was your mom awake?
No, she was still in bed.
Is she awake?
No, basically not. Because if you try to, she won't talk, basically. And I'm filming, so I can film right here, so I suggest you just leave me alone. Thank you. I'm just saying.
These were really fun. Leave me alone, leave me alone.
They can hear you saying that.
Recycle.
Huh?
Recycle.
It's like, ow.
That's mine. I need it.
What? Fine, go grab me one of the black chairs, please.
Well, go sit where you sit.
No!
Why?
I can't, because I need an outlet. Your phone is at 5%.
Okay.
5.
Fine.
And it'll die if I don't. Okay, it's either that or you use one of the black chairs. Yeah, you need exercise for your legs. It makes you need... There's glass in there. Be careful. For the glass recycling. Be careful. Can you... I need a pepper. I got it. Never mind. Just me. so I can hold the phone. Okay. Okay, the camera's gonna be sideways. That's okay. I think we'll start with this. Nana!
Sorry.
Stay out of the camera, too. Out of the camera.
Sorry. There's something away.
Look at Foxy.
Gosh. Let me get a knife.
Are you gonna kill me or something?
No.
I'm kidding.
No.
If you did, Foxy, she's gonna kill us all. Get out of the camera. What is your problem?
What's yours?
You keep on knocking over my stuff and you won't listen. That's the problem. When I say stay out of the camera, that means stay away from me and the phone. Oh, so we got one of the marionette's arms. Because you can make your own nightmare marionette. So we got her arm. Look at Foxy. Okay. Come on, Foxy. Oh, this is sick. Kill you. I think you can pop his arm off and put a. I'm the marionette. It won't actually go on his arm.
Your raviolis are ready.
So I just grab him out now?
Be careful. Get yourself a spoon.
Okay, Foxy's falling apart. Let me fix him. I'll be back. Okay, so I said I was going to fix his arm, but sorta, kinda can't get it back on. Sorta kinda broke it. Foxy, why do you come apart so easy? Teeth don't work. I can tell you that. Okay. I'll be back. Let me fix them. Okay, my grandma helped me fix it. Maybe I told her maybe next time I shouldn't try to put the marionette's arms on it. My feet are backwards. Here. It's very, very detailed, I can tell you that. Oh, look. This is cut open in the back. This is just like it. I'll rip my own nose off. Well, I think this is really cool. Oh, great. Now his leg came off. Well, he can be a one-leg pirate. Oh, let's try to put... Here, you can have a marionette leg. It's only made for the marionette, so it will only fit on the marionette parts. Nana, can you help me get his leg back on, too?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, my grandma fixed him again. Let's just not try to bend his legs or anything. Okay, but his hips can move. They can move backwards. So I think they're like doo-doo-doo. But this is so sick. Just like look straight into his eyes. Ah! Foxy, no jump scaring my friends. I said no. Bad Foxy. Okay, I guess we can get to the LOL now. I'll pull the zipper. You know the zipper. gonna set you aside, mister. Oh, here's a note. Okay. I'm not gonna make him jump scary anymore. Okay, the next item is the stickers. Okay. Nana, I think I got the same one. Remember the picture of the school and the clown?
Yeah.
Look what I got. I think it might be the same one.
School clown. Class clown.
Class clown. Thank you very much. If it's the same one, I will be as mad as heck.
You're trying to get mine.
Well, I'm trying to get a different one because I already have 2 others, but I just don't want to get the same ones. Because that would just be disappointing. They change color, spits, tinkles, or cries. Stay out of the camera, Nana. Thank you. Okay, now let's do the bottle. Oh, it's the same colored ball. The ball is baby pink. Those are, that's 2 signs of it being, okay, I'm sorry, but we have to open the bottle to see. Nope, it has a red lid. It might be the one that I got for Christmas. You don't. Okay, now, after this, we are getting the outfit. Okay, we're getting the outfit now. Okay. I can just see through it, and it's... What's this? Those must be the shoes. Let's pop this open. Okay, I'm super scared. Are you ready for this, you guys? Stay out of the camera. Ready, Foxy? He said he's ready. Ready, Foxy? Ooh, it's different. Oh, look how cute that. Look, Nana. Okay. The eyes are blocked off now.
Good, I'm glad you didn't get the same thing you've had before.
Yep. It was just one sign.
Play with.
Yeah, I do.
When?
I played with it this morning.
The one you just got.
Yeah. I lost the other one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they just mix up the secret messages. And they're the same stickers. Okay, and let's get your clothes on too. Yeah. Let's do that. Wait, did I forget to grab out the binky?
No.
I forgot to grab the binky. Ow! Oh, this isn't a binky.
Sit, be good.
This is a hat. Nana, it doesn't come with a binky, it comes with a hat. It's cool though. Cool little hat. Cause if you did, baby. Plus the one that I lost, you didn't even buy. The one that I lost, I got from Christmas from Wendy and Dad. Yeah. Yep, she's a parade girl. Well, she can be friends with a... lady that looks like a baby that looks like Marilyn Monroe. Well, she kind of does a little bit.
Tomorrow, no phone, no nothing, till your homework's done, okay?
I know. No, but tomorrow's my free day.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, because it's
Well,
Sunday.
then you stop playing right now and do your homework.
Fine. Sunday. Plus, Sunday's chores. Crap.
You get your chores done before.
Okay.
I'm going to have to work tomorrow. Okay. Charts to finish.
There goes a shoe. Wait, it says right. Right. Okay, it goes on this one. Okay, let's get your little boot. Wait, take off my shoe. Yay, I grabbed it with my foot. So now I don't even have to get up. Now I don't even have to get up. I was actually born with monkey feet. So I can just, like, if I drop something on the floor, I can just grab it with my foot and grab it. Like, if I drop this on the floor, I could use my foot and I could pick it up. Okay. Okay, let's get the bottle. You don't touch me. It has a silver lining. Or golden. Dang! Look at that bottle. Focus camera. Okay, now let's see what she does. Okay. I'm going to put all the wrappers away. And get the hot water and the cold water. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm going to move these cups. It has the waters in them. Okay, this cup is hot. But we got to take off her clothes to test it. But, you know, she might pee on the dress. So we got to take it off. But her clothes might change color. Okay, let's do cold.
Sit down.
Whoa, did she have blush? Oh, that's cute. Okay, water. Okay, she does not color change. What does she do? Ow! Hot. Okay, I think she's a spitter. Okay, let's test it. Okay, let's see. Let's get water. Okay, let's see. Now I have 3 that spit. That all spit. They all spit. Oh, what does my shirt say again? In French?
C'est la vie, mon chéri.
What does it mean?
C'est la vie, mon chéri. Enjoy life, my little one.
How do you know? No, what does it really mean?
And that's what it means.
Doing some business in there? Must be serious business. Okay, so she does not color change. She spits.
That's better than pooping.
She pees, and it's just water. I'd rather have it color change. Or cry, yeah. Because then I could have the other doll hit her, and then I could, I could squeeze water into her, but then I can have the other, I can have Foxy hit her in the face, and then I can just squeeze her head.
Oh, how nice.
And then there's 2 tiny holes in her eyes, and then if you squeeze her head, water will come out. Oh, I'm going to try a trick. So I get some cold water in my mouth. I take the head off of the baby. Nana, I made her pee. Wait, you can make her pee. Let me show you. Okay, so take a sip of water. Just don't swallow it. Watch. Take the head off of the baby. And then there's a hole right here to, like, if it can be. But mine can't. So then you get a sip.
You can push it in with one of those medicine syringes.
No, because that's not, it has to, like, push it in.
Like I said, a medicine syringe.
Now I can drink water from her head. Sorry, I'm just cleaning her guts. Now let's clean her head. Wait, I'm going to keep her head full of water, and I'm going to see if tomorrow it evaporated. But I'm not going to put it in the sun, so it probably won't. Well, it could drip out of her mouth. Okay, let's dry off your body, too. And let's stick your head back on. Let's do that over the water, because it's going to drip of water. Okay, let's just squeeze all of that water out, okay? And now we dry her off after. Oh! That was a big toot. She tooted in my water. That's gross. That's just gross. You don't judge me. I know, I'm just weird. I'm gonna have her spit in her hat. Why would you do that to your poor hat? Okay, your body's backwards. We don't want to see your butt. Okay, let's fix it. Make your legs straight. What is your... There's like something wrong with this parade, baby. This poor baby. Baby.
Why don't you eat your dinner?
I will. After I finish my video. Video. Sorry, she keeps on interrupting me.
Cherries are great.
Oh, can you pass me a few? Or can you pass me the bag? And then I'll pass it back after I grab a few out.
Here.
I know. Cherry bomb. Cherry bomb. Oh, Nana, I can make a cherry bomb. Look. Or here's a way. Light the stem on fire, and then the cherry would blow up. Or do this. Cherry bomb. And then it flies. Okay, now.
Leo! No.
And when nor expected, the person can spit in your face. Like if my other one cried, then they could, so if I had an LOL that cried, let's say this is an LOL and it can cry, okay? So then this LOL hits this LOL, and then this one, you squeeze its head and it starts crying, but then this one spits on this. So you do this. Kicks him in the face, squeeze heads, cries, and then spits in the face.
Leo!
And yeah. Oh, kick him in the face with your boot. That'll be painful. Hey, Nana, do you like water?
No.
You drink water all the time, though.
I don't want her spitting anything.
It's water.
I don't care. I don't want to be wet. I'm cold.
But it's warm water.
I'm cold. I don't want to be wet.
But you won't be wet. You'll be warm. Will you be wet and warm?
Till the water goes off and it'll be cold and wet. Leo! No! No.
It looks like I just murdered someone and I just ate their guts.
That's enough.
Pull your hair out. Bite their body. Bite their body open. Eat their head off.
Hey! Cleo! Hey! Cleo!
Squeeze their heart out.
Don't get it in your shirt.
I won't. The seed is the heart.
Cherry stink.
I know. And then eat their insides.
Cleo! Can you let her in, please?
Yeah. Just let me have my friends say goodbye.
Please.
Bye
Before your mom gets upset, please.
bye. Hey, I said no spitting on camera. Sorry, guys. She spit all over my camera.
Hush.
Oh.